In this video, I'll show you how to create a Cloudflare tunnel step by step. First, go to the Cloudflare website and log into your account. After logging in, go to the main dashboard. On the left sidebar, use the search bar and search for tunnels. Click on the Tunnels option. Now click Create Tunnel. Enter a name for your tunnel. After that, choose your operating system. For example, Windows, Linux, or Mac. Cloudflare will provide an installation command. Now, download the Cloudflare application responsible for the connection. After downloading, open the CMD or terminal on your computer. Copy the command provided by Cloudflare. Paste the command into CMD and run it. The system will automatically create the connection. After completing the process, the Cloudflare tunnel will be active. Now you can connect your local service to Cloudflare